How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So once again, I'm talking about Harmony One Coin latest update with surprise changes occur. And guys, I'm also talking about what will be the next move of Harmony. Let me show you guys. But guys, if you are new here, if you don't subscribe, be a stake channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, the current price of Harmony is about 0.231069 USD dollar. That is the current price of Harmony. And other side, if we talk about the changes update of Harmony, is negative 0.78%. Negative changes occur in the Harmony, and other side, the last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Harmony is completely going positive, guys. That's mean, guys, that just in the currently live in the last 60 minutes, the changes of Harmony is going negative. But don't worry, guys, very soon these changes will become positive and they will give you profit, guys. So just hold, never decide to sell. Anyways, guys, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Harmony? Also share in the comment box. So let me show you the price chart. You can see here absolutely today there is last 1 day price chart. Today you can see here the price of Harmony take a good jump. But you know what, unfortunately in the last 60 minutes, as I show you the update, that the last 60-minute changes is negative. So that's you know what, a lot of people when see a small fall, so they decide to sell, but that is temporary falls. As you can see here, same like at this time the price falls, again pump, again here the price falls, and again the price will pump. So don't take this serious, just hold, guys, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.